Welcome to Best Choice. The best straight edge woodworking is probably one of the most essential skills for any woodworker, ensuring accuracy and professional results. This video will dive deep into the world of straight edge woodworking, covering everything from the basics to advanced techniques. We'll explore the tools, methods, and tips you need to achieve perfect cuts and create stunning projects. Get ready to elevate your woodworking game. Number 5. Starrett 380-72 Steel Straight Edge. This Starrett straight edge is designed for precision. It's ground and finished to high standards, ensuring accurate and consistent results for the user. This tool is not marked with measurements or beveled edges. It's perfect for drawing straight lines and checking surfaces, offering a simple and effective solution. The straight edge's design allows for shape retention and accuracy. It's portable and easy to handle, making it a convenient tool for various tasks. For the best results, especially with longer sizes, use the designated suspension points. This minimizes deflection, ensuring the most accurate measurements. Proudly made in the USA, this tool combines American heritage with global materials. It represents exceptional quality and innovation. What we like. This Starrett straight edge is precision ground for accurate results. It's easy to handle and use, making it a great choice for various woodworking tasks. If you're looking for a reliable, American-made tool for checking straightness and drawing lines, you should consider this one. What people say. This straight edge is awesome and at a reasonable price. I have checked it against my surface plate and found it to be precision straight. I use it to check the milled surfaces of engine blocks and other machinery that cannot be placed on a surface plate. Number 4. Woodpeckers SERX 36-inch Precision Straight Edge. This Woodpeckers SERX straight edge is machined from aluminum. It's built to a tolerance of 0.0015 per foot. The laser engraved scales have a tolerance of plus or minus 0.004 total accumulated error. The unique V-groove profile gives this tool a solid footing. It maintains a clear view of any high or low spots on the surface. This design ensures accurate measurements. This woodworking straight edge is perfect for checking table saw flatness. It helps ensure jointer tables are parallel. You can also use it for router table setup and other machinery alignment tasks. A bright white bar highlights low spots. The graduated rule edge is beveled at 30 degrees. This allows the markings to be right next to your material for easy reading. Like all Woodpeckers products, this SERX straight edge is precisely machined. It's carefully inspected in their Strongsville, Ohio, facility. This ensures the highest quality. What we like. The Woodpeckers SERX offers precision machining and a freestanding edge for easy setup. It's perfect for checking machine flatness and alignment. If you are setting up a router table or jointer, this tool will help you achieve perfect results. What people say. I use these tools as a datum for all my daily use tools. I use the Woodpeckers tools to verify that my equipment is square and flat. The anodized red is easy to see and contrasts well against a jointer bed, table saw top or whatever your needs are. I also use this to test my tape measures and rulers for accuracy. It's a killer bit of kit. The 36-inch length and the ability to stand on edge was just what I needed for installing the side extensions on my table saw. I was able to stand the rule on edge, leaving both of my hands free to hammer, shim, and feel the joint between the table and the extension wing. Anodized aluminum will not rust like the other less expensive steel straight edges when left in the workshop where the humidity changes through the seasons. Excellent scale and straight edge. My use is in furniture building, measuring and verifying flat edges and faces. The increments are highly visible and discernible when laying out grid lines or any measurements. Number 3. Mr. Penn 8x12-inch Carpenter Square. This Mr. Penn Carpenter Square is designed for accuracy. It features clear markings for easy measurements, making your work more efficient. Made from high-quality carbon steel, it's built to last. The sturdy material ensures it can withstand the rigors of any job. It includes both imperial and metric units. This versatility allows you to work with different measurement systems, providing flexibility in your projects. The bright white markings on a black background make it easy to read. This design ensures clear visibility, even in challenging lighting conditions. It's ideal for various carpentry tasks, including framing, roofing, and stair work. You can also use it as a straight edge to check surface flatness. What we like. This L-shaped ruler features both imperial and metric units, with easy-to-read markings. It's made from durable carbon steel, ensuring it will last. If you like a versatile, sturdy, and easy-to-read tool for framing, you should consider this one. What people say. This Carpenter Square is durable and very accurate. The markings are clear and the overall quality feels reliable. This square is solid, clearly marked, and accurate. I've used it on several woodworking projects and it holds up great. This T-square is a perfect 90-degree angle with accurate measurements and of a strong, straight metal construction. The numbers are easy to read and, due to the fine craftsmanship, I look forward to these measurements remaining visible and intact for years to come. Number 2. POWERTEC 38-inch Machinist Aluminum Straight Edge. This straight edge is a cost-effective solution for checking surface flatness. It's perfect for engine blocks and other work surfaces. You can also use it to align machines. The thick profile and ribbed reinforcement make it easy to grip. The precision-milled edges ensure accurate straightness. There is also a hanging hole for easy storage. Made with lightweight anodized metal, this straight edge is built to last. It provides long-term durability and protection against wear and abrasion. This makes it a great addition to any workshop. Use it as a guide for machines, a drafting tool, or to check cylinder head distortion. The possibilities are endless with this tool. It's a must-have for any project. This straight edge measures 38 inches long and 2 inches wide. It features a dual-sided metric and standard ruler measurement system. This makes it easy to get precise measurements. What we like. The POWERTEC Straight Edge offers a cost-effective solution for checking surface flatness. It features an ergonomic design for easy gripping and versatile applications. If you have a need to align machines or check cylinder heads, this is a great choice. What people say. The product is well made and sturdy. The straight edge is accurate and easy to use. It's a great tool for woodworking projects. Number 1. POWERTEC 50-inch Aluminum Straight Edge. This straight edge is a cost-effective solution for ensuring your surfaces are perfectly flat. It helps you quickly center items and check for any imperfections with precision. The thick profile and ribbed reinforcement make it easy to grip. The smooth, flat edge ensures accurate measurements, and the hanging hole keeps your tools organized. Made from lightweight, anodized aluminum, this straight edge is built to withstand daily use. It provides durability and protection against wear and tear. Whether you're woodworking, finishing concrete, or drafting, this tool is a great addition to your kit. It's perfect for both professional projects and DIY home improvements. This straight edge measures 50 inches long, 2 inches wide, with a 5/16-inch measuring surface. It is a must-have tool for any workshop. What we like. This POWERTEC Straight Edge guarantees a straight edge for your projects. It's made from durable aluminum and can be used for various tasks. If you are looking for a reliable tool for woodworking or drafting, this one is a great addition to your kit. What people say. Made out of good quality aluminum. It is of a good thickness so not to bend easily. With only a 0.001 inch deviation it helped with my measurements to the bell housing to pressure plate. It is good and square, make sure you wipe off any oil on it to maintain slip resistance, didn't slip on me when I was using it. This is my absolute go-to tool when trying to make sure something is flat. I have used it numerous times and it is beyond useful. It is straight and sturdy, surviving in my chaotic shop without issue. Lightweight but sturdy, ridged aluminum construction. Works well for checking turners of surfaces like engine blocks and head decks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.